right, everybody, I'd like to welcome you to Dutch Oven Chef today. We're going to make some citrus chicken in our 12-inch deep Dutch oven. You can see it's a little bit deeper here. And to make this, I'm actually going to use a really cool product, a trivet. This is going to help keep the chicken from burning. It'll keep it off the bottom, so we'll place our trivet down in there. And of course, you've got to have chicken. And we've got our chicken, which I've just placed into the oven. And we're going to make a citrusy chicken. So what we're going to start off with is want to get some lemon. Underneath the skin of the chicken. Watch how we do this. We'll cut very thin slices. And we'll make sure to take out the seeds. We don't want any seeds in our chicken. Take out our seeds. Good, we've got that. Got our seeds out. Oh, that's a little too thick, so we're just going to discard that. And we've got some more seeds. We'll get those out. All right, so what I like to do is I like to take the lemon and I'm going to stuff it underneath the skin of the chicken here. You loosen that up a little bit. See, I can loosen the skin up a little bit. Just loosen up that skin. And what we're going to do is we'll take a lemon slice, put that underneath the skin. Maybe we'll put one more in there. Get two. Actually, I think we can get two. And then maybe what we'll also do here is we'll chop up a little bit more, put some lemon in there. Now, I like to have some additional stuff in our chicken. We're going to put in 2 peppers, put in some carrots, and actually let's start with our carrots. So let's slice those up a little bit. Okay, looks like we have some interesting visitors. Woo, get out of there. Get out of there. So I'll stuff up, what I like to do is I like to stuff up the chicken with some veggies. Get some vegetables in there while our friend kind of goes around and around. Put some celery in there. Let's chop some of that up. We'll put some celery in our chicken. I've been stuffing the chicken with some veggies and I'm kind of letting them fall out all around. Just chopping up some veggies. I'm going to throw those in there. I love getting some peppers. This is just stuff that I happen to have on hand. There's no particular order or reason. It's just stuff that I had. Let's grab a little lemon or a little onion. I like to, coarsely chop it up. Again, I just had a little bit of this lying around. And I'm just putting that in there with the also maybe we can stuff some of that in there. All right, excellent. Actually, let's salt and pepper. Okay, we want to do a little salt and pepper, and I usually just measure like this. I'm pretty liberal about my salt and pepper, so a couple tablespoons, I'd say, probably a lot, but it'll come out pretty good in the end. Just dump that in. Good. Put a little pepper. Oops. Just a little much there. Probably try to keep it down to about a teaspoon or so. Cover up our chicken and our veggies. Don't want it to be too strong. Maybe what we'll do also put in a lime, or some lime juice maybe. That would be also be good. We had some limes that we hadn't used up, so we get some lime juice in there. Whoops. Okay. And now what I like to do, I like to have a little bit of butter, just to get a nice, that on top, that helps with the skin. Slide that forward a bit. And what I'll do is I'll just take some pats, put that, it's a little fat, richness, right? All right, about half a stick. A little extra butter, that's good. It's always going to cook down anyway. And I'm going to put, happen to be at the store today too, actually, and we've got some fresh rosemary, so let's drop a sprig. Oh, it smells wonderful. Yeah, let's do that. Let's actually put it right here. Let's maybe get it inside. Let's get one inside. Let's get maybe one more the strong rosemary flavor. That's good. There. And you know what? Thing that I think is really important when you're making this is you want to have a little moisture in there. Of course, the chicken is going to cook down itself, but I always like to put a little moisture inside so that as it cooks, it's going to cook for about 2 hours. That moisture will help keep the bird moist. So I'll measure out a little bit of orange juice, kind of in keeping with our theme here. What do we got? A little less than half a cup. And then I'm going to put in a little Le Croix. Probably seen that a lot. So this will be about a cup. Put a cup of that in. All right. And then what we'll do is we'll just pour that at the bottom here. It should give us a really nice that should give us a really, really nice flavor. All right, everybody. as you can see, we have our chicken, our lemony chicken. Put a little lime juice in there, a little orange juice. Be very citrusy, really nice and fresh. It's a beautiful day up here, so this should taste awesome. Now we've got to get it underneath the coals. Oh. All right. Thank you. Let's see how this looks. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Citrus, little thyme. Oh, so beautiful. Let's get our meat thermometer out. Make sure that she is done. Get that right in there, all the way in. Yep, I would say it's done, wouldn't you?
185.
Yeah.
191.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's good. We're good. We're good. We got two chickens. Wow, that looks awesome, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Oh yeah.